How to update Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. The App Store is used to discover, download, and manage apps. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. Go to the search bar and type in the name of the application you want to download. For example, Google Maps. From the results, go to the Google Maps app as shown. As you can see, the Google Maps app is already installed on your phone. Here, tap on Update to update this app. After updating, tap on Open to open the app. You can now use the Google Maps app from here. Following these steps, you can easily update Google Maps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.